More than 51,500 different species of spiders are found in the world. Of these, only a small number are said to be dangerous, and here are the 8 most dangerous spiders in the world. The brown recluse spider is one of the most dangerous spiders in the United States. Its venom destroys the walls of blood vessels near the site of the bite, sometimes causing a large skin ulcer. Most brown recluse spiders, which are also called violin spiders, live in the western and southern United States. Most are about 7 millimeters, 0.25 inches, and have a leg span of about 2.5 centimeters, 1 inch. The brown recluse has extended its range into parts of the northern United States, making its home in caves, rodent burrows, and other protected environments.
Brazilian wandering spiders. These species are sometimes also referred to as banana spiders because they are frequently found on banana leaves. They have an aggressive defense posture in which they raise their front legs straight up into the air. Phoeutria are venomous to humans, and they are considered to be the deadliest of all the world's spiders. Their venom is toxic to the nervous system, causing symptoms such as salivation, irregular heartbeat, and prolonged painful erections, priapism, in men. Yellow sac spiders. Yellow sac spiders are clubionids, a family of spiders that range in body length from 3 to 15 millimeters, about 0.12 to 0.6 inches, and build silken tubes under stones, in leaves, or in grass. Found throughout the United States, as well as in Mexico, southward through South America. The spider's venom is a cytotoxin, a substance that destroys a cell or impairs its function, that can produce necrotizing lesions, but such lesions occur rarely in bite victims. Still, redness and swelling at the site of the bite are common reactions. Wolf spider. Wolf spiders belong to the family Lycosidae, a large and widespread group that is found throughout the world. They are named for their wolf-like habit of chasing and pouncing upon prey. About 125 species occur in North America, whereas there are about 50 in Europe. Most are small to medium-sized. The largest has a body about 2.5 centimeters, 1 inch, long, and legs about the same length. Most wolf spiders are dark brown, and their hairy bodies are long and broad, with stout, long legs. They are noted for their running speed, and commonly occur in grass or under stones, logs, or leaf litter. Black widow spider. The black widow is responsible for more than 2,500 visits to poison control centers every year in the U.S. It is one species that can be found from the United States and parts of Canada through Latin America and the West Indies. The body is about 2.5 centimeters, 1 inch long. Its bite, which may feel like a pinprick on the skin, often produces severe muscle pain and cramping, nausea, and mild paralysis of the diaphragm, which makes breathing difficult. Brown widow spider. The brown widow is thought to have evolved in Africa, but the first specimen described came from South America. It is classified as an invasive species elsewhere around the world. Brown widow populations have appeared in Southern California, the Caribbean, the U.S. states of the Gulf Coast, as well as in Japan, South Africa, and Madagascar, Australia, and Cyprus. The species makes its home in buildings, inside old tires, and under automobiles, as well as among shrubs and other vegetation. Red widow spider. The third widow spider on this list is the red widow or red-legged widow. The spider's appearance is distinguished from other widow spiders by its reddish cephalothorax and legs and its reddish-brown to black-colored abdomen. Many red widows have a red mark on the underside of the abdomen, which may be either hourglass-shaped, triangle-shaped, or indistinct. The leg span of an adult female is 1.5 to 2 inches, whereas the male is only about 1/3 of that size. The bite of the red widow is similar to that of the black widow, and identical symptoms, pain, cramping, nausea, etc., typically result. Redback spider. The redback is an Australian cousin of the black widow and has spread to New Zealand, Belgium, and Japan through grape exports. The species is widespread throughout Australia, living in all of the continent's varied environments, except for its hottest deserts and frigid mountaintops. The species is also found in urban areas, frequently making nests in human dwellings. Redback spiders are not aggressive and are more likely to play dead when disturbed, but a female spider defending her eggs is very likely to bite. More than 250 redback bites are treated each year in Australia, many with antivenom. Researchers and physicians are split on the effectiveness of redback antivenom, with some studies indicating that it was not effective in treating symptoms or relieving pain. Only 10 to 20% of all victims bitten are envenomed. The venom is a mixed neurotoxins called alpha-latrotoxins, which produces pain, sweating, rapid heartbeats, and swollen lymph nodes. The spider can moderate the amount of venom it injects, and the severity of these symptoms often depend on how much venom is delivered. Despite all of this, deaths from spider bites are still extremely rare. They're far more terrifying than they actually are, but the next time you see one, you might want to think twice. There's a lot more like this, so if you want more, you already know what to do. There's a lot more like this, so if you want more, make sure you're subscribed.